I'm Maria. SLS has been a wonderful place for me, and I have learned here such lessons which I have never ever learned in my life. Above all, the teachers and the staff, and especially the MD of SLS College, Sir Sarfraz Malik, is very supportive and devoted. I took online classes from SLS along with other students from Lahore, Karachi, Gujranwala, and Gujarat. And SLS was available online and on campus for me through every thick and thin. And I will suggest the institute to those who want to prepare for their desired bands in all the modules of IELTS. I have achieved my desired bands, and here is my TRF. And I highly recommend SLS. Thanks to SLS for made me able to achieve my desired bands.
Kindly subscribe to our channel SLS College, press the bell icon and share. Thank you.